Real estate licensing, New York. 5 blockchain applications in real estate. Blockchain technology has the potential to revolutionize the real estate industry by providing a transparent, secure, and immutable way to track and transfer property ownership, streamline property transactions, and reduce fraud. Here are some of the blockchain applications in real estate. 1. Property ownership and title records. Blockchain technology has the potential to revolutionize property ownership and title records by providing a transparent, secure, and decentralized system for recording and verifying property transactions. Here are some key ways blockchain can impact property ownership and title records. Immutable and transparent records. Blockchain enables the creation of a tamper-proof and transparent ledger of property ownership records. Each transaction or change in ownership is recorded as a permanent and unalterable entry on the blockchain, providing a transparent history of property transactions. Eliminating intermediaries. With blockchain, the need for intermediaries, such as title companies and government agencies, to verify and authenticate property ownership can be reduced. The blockchain acts as a trusted source of information, eliminating the need for manual verification processes and reducing associated costs. Smart contracts for property transactions. Smart contracts, which are self-executing agreements programmed on the blockchain, can streamline property transactions. Parties involved in a property sale can define the terms and conditions of the transaction in a smart contract, ensuring automatic execution when conditions are met. This reduces the need for multiple intermediaries and simplifies the process. Enhanced security and fraud prevention. Blockchain technology's cryptographic principles and distributed nature provide strong security measures. Property ownership records stored on the blockchain are resistant to tampering and unauthorized modifications, increasing trust and reducing the risk of fraud. Fractional ownership and tokenization. Blockchain can enable fractional ownership and tokenization of properties. Through the creation of digital tokens representing fractions of a property, blockchain allows for the efficient and transparent trading of ownership shares. This opens up new possibilities for real estate investment and liquidity. Cross-border transactions. Blockchain has the potential to simplify cross-border property transactions by reducing the complexity of different legal systems and regulatory requirements. Smart contracts and blockchain-based platforms can facilitate faster and more secure international property transactions. While blockchain holds great promise for property ownership and title records, widespread adoption and integration into existing systems and regulations pose challenges. Collaboration between industry stakeholders, governments, and technology providers is crucial to developing standardized protocols, ensuring legal compliance, and addressing privacy concerns. As the technology matures and gains wider acceptance, blockchain has the potential to revolutionize property ownership and title records, making transactions more efficient, secure, and transparent for all parties involved. 2. Smart contracts applications in real estate. Smart contracts and blockchain are closely interconnected and often mentioned together due to the role they play in enabling decentralized and automated transactions. Let's explore the relationship between smart contracts and blockchain. Blockchain is a decentralized and distributed ledger technology that records and stores data across multiple computers, nodes, in a network. Each transaction or data entry is grouped into a block, which is linked to the previous blocks, forming a chain of blocks, hence the name blockchain. This chain of blocks provides transparency, immutability, and security to the recorded data. Smart contracts. Smart contracts are self-executing agreements with the terms of the agreement directly written into code. These agreements are stored and executed on a blockchain network. Smart contracts can automate and enforce the negotiation, execution, and performance of agreements without the need for intermediaries. They are programmable and can be triggered by predefined conditions, enabling automatic and trustless transactions. The role of smart contracts in blockchain. Automation. Smart contracts enable automation of transactions by defining the conditions and actions to be taken when those conditions are met. Once deployed on a blockchain, the smart contract code is executed automatically without the need for intermediaries, reducing costs and eliminating potential human errors. Transparency. Smart contracts are stored on the blockchain, making them transparent and accessible to all participants in the network. This transparency ensures that all parties have visibility into the terms and actions of the contract, enhancing trust and reducing the potential for disputes. Security. Smart contracts leverage the security features of the underlying blockchain technology. Once deployed, smart contracts cannot be modified, tampered with, or reversed without the consensus of the network participants. This immutability and cryptographic security makes smart contracts highly resistant to fraud and tampering. Trustlessness. Smart contracts eliminate the need for trust between parties as the execution and enforcement of the contract are performed automatically based on predefined rules. The decentralized nature of blockchain ensures that no single party has control over the contract, reducing the dependency on intermediaries and enhancing trust among participants. Overall, smart contracts leverage the features of blockchain technology to provide a decentralized, transparent, secure, and automated way to execute and enforce agreements. They have the potential to streamline various industries and processes by removing intermediaries, reducing costs, and increasing efficiency. 3. Tokenization of real estate assets on the blockchain. Tokenization of real estate assets on the blockchain refers to the process of representing ownership rights or shares of a real estate property as digital tokens on a blockchain network. It allows fractional ownership, increased liquidity, and streamlined transferability of real estate assets. Here are some key aspects of tokenizing real estate assets on the blockchain. Fractional ownership. Tokenization enables the division of a real estate asset into smaller fractional ownership units. Each unit represents a specific percentage or share of the property. Fractional ownership allows investors to participate in real estate investments with smaller capital requirements and opens up opportunities for a broader pool of investors. Increased liquidity. Traditional real estate investments can be illiquid and have high entry barriers. Tokenization introduces liquidity by enabling fractional ownership and facilitating the trading of real estate tokens on blockchain-based platforms. It allows investors to buy, sell, and trade tokens representing fractional ownership stakes, potentially increasing market liquidity and accessibility. Enhanced accessibility. Tokenization can lower the barriers to entry for real estate investments. Fractional ownership through tokens enables investors to diversify their portfolios and gain exposure to real estate assets that were previously inaccessible due to high investment requirements or geographic limitations. Automation and efficiency. Real estate transactions can involve various intermediaries, lengthy processes, and paperwork. Tokenization automates and streamlines many aspects of real estate transactions by leveraging smart contracts on the blockchain. Smart contracts can automate tasks such as ownership transfer, rental distribution, and compliance with regulatory requirements. Transparency and security. Blockchain technology provides transparency and security to real estate transactions. Property ownership details, transaction history, and contractual agreements are recorded on an immutable and transparent blockchain ledger. This transparency reduces fraud and enhances trust among participants, while the cryptographic security of the blockchain protects the integrity of the ownership records. Global reach. Tokenization allows real estate assets to be accessed by a global pool of investors without geographical restrictions. Investors from different countries can participate in real estate projects through tokenized ownership, fostering cross-border investments and diversification. It's important to note that the regulatory landscape around tokenized real estate assets is still evolving in many jurisdictions. Compliance with local regulations and legal frameworks is essential when considering tokenization initiatives. Additionally, investors should conduct thorough due diligence on tokenized offerings, including evaluating the underlying asset, project team, and associated risks. Tokenization of real estate assets on the blockchain has the potential to transform the real estate industry by increasing liquidity, accessibility, and efficiency. However, the adoption and scalability of tokenization in real estate will depend on technological advancements, regulatory frameworks, and market acceptance. State. 4. Property management. Blockchain technology has the potential to significantly impact property management by introducing transparency, efficiency, and security to various aspects of the process. Here are some applications of blockchain in property management. Lease management. Blockchain can streamline lease management by providing a secure and transparent platform for recording lease agreements, rent payments, and lease terms. Smart contracts can automate rent collection, enforce lease terms, and provide an auditable and immutable record of lease transactions. Property maintenance and repair. Blockchain can facilitate efficient property maintenance and repair processes. Property managers can record maintenance requests on the blockchain, ensuring transparency and accountability throughout the process. Smart contracts can automate workflows, track progress, and trigger payments upon completion of maintenance tasks. Tenant screening and identity verification. Blockchain can enhance tenant screening and identity verification processes. By storing tenant information and references on the blockchain, property managers can verify and authenticate identities, rental history, and credit scores more efficiently and securely. This can help reduce fraud and improve tenant selection. Property documentation and title records. Blockchain can provide a decentralized and tamper-proof system for storing property documentation and title records. By recording property ownership, transfers, and liens on the blockchain, property managers can ensure the integrity and transparency of property records. This can simplify the due diligence process for property transactions. Rent and expense sharing in company living spaces. Blockchain can facilitate rent and expense sharing in co-living spaces, where multiple tenants share a property. By utilizing smart contracts and blockchain-based payment systems, rent and expenses can be automatically divided and distributed among the tenants, ensuring transparency and eliminating disputes. Tokenization of real estate investments. Blockchain can enable the tokenization of real estate assets, allowing fractional ownership and investment opportunities. Property managers can tokenize real estate properties, allowing investors to purchase digital tokens representing ownership shares. This can increase liquidity and access to real estate investments. Energy efficiency and utility management. Blockchain can be used to monitor and manage energy usage in properties, facilitating efficient energy consumption and reducing costs. Smart contracts can automate energy billing, allowing for transparent and accurate utility management. Real-time data sharing and reporting. Blockchain can enable real-time data sharing and reporting among property managers, landlords, and tenants. This can improve communication, provide access to up-to-date information on property performance, and facilitate quick decision-making. It's worth noting that while blockchain offers significant advantages, widespread adoption and integration with existing property management systems and regulatory frameworks may take time. Additionally, addressing privacy concerns, ensuring compliance with data protection regulations, and establishing industry standards are important considerations for successful implementation. Blockchain has the potential to revolutionize property management by improving efficiency, transparency, and security. However, careful planning, collaboration, and adherence to local regulations are crucial for its effective implementation in the property management industry. 5. Real estate crowdfunding. Real estate crowdfunding using blockchain applications can transform the way real estate investments are financed and managed. By leveraging blockchain technology, real estate crowdfunding platforms can offer enhanced transparency, accessibility, and efficiency for both investors and property developers. Here are some key applications of blockchain in real estate crowdfunding. Tokenized investments. Blockchain enables the tokenization of real estate assets, breaking them into digital tokens representing fractional ownership. Investors can purchase these tokens, providing them with a proportional share in the underlying real estate asset. This fractional ownership model allows for smaller investment amounts, increased liquidity, and broader investor participation. Automated smart contracts. Smart contracts on the blockchain can automate investment agreements, ensuring compliance with predefined terms and conditions. Once investment criteria are met, smart contracts can automatically execute distributions, dividend payments, and other financial transactions, reducing administrative overhead and increasing efficiency. Increased market accessibility. Blockchain-based real estate crowdfunding platforms can provide access to real estate investment opportunities that were previously restricted to a limited group of high-net-worth individuals. By leveraging tokenization and fractional ownership, blockchain allows investors of various sizes to participate in a diverse range of real estate projects. Enhanced transparency and accountability. Blockchain provides a transparent and immutable ledger of investment transactions. Investors can access a comprehensive record of investment history, property performance, and financial reports. This transparency enhances trust and reduces the information asymmetry between investors and project developers. Global investor reach. Blockchain-powered real estate crowdfunding platforms can overcome geographical barriers and facilitate cross-border investments. Blockchain's decentralized nature enables investors from different countries to participate in real estate projects without the need for complex intermediaries or extensive legal processes. Secondary market trading. Tokenized real estate investments on the blockchain can potentially introduce secondary markets where investors can buy and sell their investment tokens. This liquidity allows investors to exit their positions before the investment term expires, providing additional flexibility and potential returns. Investor identity and compliance. Blockchain-based solutions can enhance investor identity verification and compliance with regulatory requirements. Through the use of self-sovereign identity systems and blockchain's transparent nature, investor identity and accreditation can be securely verified, ensuring compliance with Know Your Customer (KYC) and anti-money laundering (AML) regulations. Smart due diligence. Blockchain can streamline the due diligence process by providing access to property records, transaction history, legal documents, and other relevant information. This data can be stored securely on the blockchain, ensuring authenticity and reducing the need for manual verification. While real estate crowdfunding using blockchain presents exciting opportunities, it's important to consider the regulatory landscape, legal compliance, and investor protection frameworks. Collaboration between real estate developers, crowdfunding platforms, legal experts, and regulatory bodies is essential for successful implementation and widespread adoption of blockchain-based real estate crowdfunding platforms. Overall, blockchain technology has the potential to transform the real estate industry by providing a more secure, transparent, and efficient way to manage property transactions and ownership records. Thanks for watching.